Most people look at an engineering drawing and see chaos, lines everywhere, numbers, symbols that look like a foreign language. Here's how engineers actually read one. Step 1. Title block, bottom right corner, always start here. Part name, material, scale, general tolerances, revision number. This tells you what you are dealing with before you look at anything else. Never skip it. Step 2. Find your views. Front, top, side. 3 views, 1 part. Your brain builds the 3D picture from these 3 windows. Find the most complex view first. That's your anchor. Step 3. Read the dimensions, but read them smart. Don't just read the numbers. Ask what each dimension is controlling, and ask what breaks if this number is wrong. Step 4. Find the tightest tolerance. That's the hardest feature to manufacture. That's where the designer was losing sleep. That's where you focus. Step 5. Surface finish and GD&T symbols. Roughness marks tell you how the part gets machined. GD&T tells you how it fits with everything around it. If you don't know GD&T yet, that's a separate video. Step 6. Notes, bottom of the sheet. Heat treatment, special finishes, exceptions. Most people skip the notes. The notes are where the drawing hides the most important information. Save this, you will need it.